Let's talk about the Trackhawk getting stolen because I heard you talking about it before. Because I want to hear my perspective on that.
You go ahead.
No, but I wanted to talk about it together because I have no. What did you already tell the guys?
It's a bad memory.
It is a horrible memory. We are in Mexico we're on a vacation that you owe me, and you're trying to this is an I'm sorry vacation for me.
What do you mean I owe you a vacation?
This was on I
don't owe myself a vacation?
This was I'm sorry, Sharon, give me one more chance vacation.
Okay, first of all, I never said that.
It's 100%.
You're making me look like a punk.
Because
I'm better looking at Mr.
Let's just call a spade a spade. So this is a vacation that's supposed to be like an extra honeymoon to get us back on track.
I will explain the story because you don't have the phone call and me threatening the guy.
I saw the phone call. So we're in Mexico. We're actually having a good time, which never happens. And
that's not true.
It's so true.
You're so exaggerating.
And we come out of the cave, which was not a great experience for you.
Not for me. I don't want to be in caves anymore, especially underwater where I could be trapped.
Yeah, that was not
I can't save you then.
I was not the one who needed saving in the cave.
I swam out in it, no problem. It's just not something that's enjoyable.
I will tell you this: the water in a cave was so cold. I actually lost my breath,
and I got sick
and
after
I
that.
actually did need the lifeguard because I couldn't actually get my bearings when I was treading water. I actually couldn't. I actually hyperventilated.
I didn't like it. That's for you.
So anyways, we come out and then we get the phone call from Action Tire in Lodi, New Jersey on Route 46.
And I had a missed call from Action Tire, Joe. And he goes, I got bad news. He goes, I f***ed up. I'm like, what do you mean you f***ed up? He goes, yeah, they stole your car. I said, what do you mean they stole my car last night? My car's in your shop. He goes, no, I left it outside. I said, you f***ing lying motherfucker.
Did you tell the guys what was going on that day? We still to this day believe that this was some type of inside job. So
it was an inside job.
So that Trackhawk,
100% he had something to do with it.
So I won that Trackhawk on a US Marshals auction when we were with Lamborghini at the Sonoma Raceway. I'm doing the auction in the parking lot with my earbuds in, and we win a 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhawk. No, I need you to stop talking now. It's a 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhawk with 1,508 miles on it. And I win it for $88,000. The next Trackhawk that had 95,000 miles on it, it went for like 92,000. Or no, it went for 98,000, excuse me. So anyway, so I win, and it's your birthday. I win the auction for your birthday. And it's the Trackhawk that completes the whole Hellcat collection that we have.
Yeah, we had every Hellcat ever made.
It's the best custom wrap. It was my design. The custom wrap was mine. It had an 8 mm thick black chrome. It was immaculate. And we take it to Action Tire on a recommendation from somebody. They put how much was that exhaust aftermarket?
5,000, I think.
Okay, so they put a brand new aftermarket exhaust on it. Something else goes on it. Only the new tire and wheel is missing.
Right, the tire and wheels didn't come yet.
They park it outside.
Yeah, supposedly.
And we watch the security tapes, and it's a two-toned Ford. It's a Ford 250. It's a Ford 250.
Yeah, it was all set up.
Blue and silver two-tone pickup goes right behind the Trackhawk. The guy goes out, whatever with the key. We get one of the keys back. The chip is missing, whatever. And they make a they make a right 90-degree turn out of the parking lot, make another 90-degree turn, and then I'm sure it's chopped up in Newark or something like that.
And the mistake was we didn't have GPS and tracking on it.
Well, we didn't understand all of that.
Right. And
I get on the phone with, what was his name?
Joe.
I get on the phone with Joe, and he actually has the audacity to say to me, this is an auto body guy who supposedly has been in this business for over 25 years. He's one of those douchebags that puts all of his celebrity frames as to who he takes care of all up and down his wall. I guess we weren't important enough, is exactly what happened. He goes, oh, I didn't know that Hellcat engines were that important. I said, where? I said, what rock? And this is in the middle of Mexico. I go, what rock do you live underneath, Joe? I said, everyone between Detroit to Miami knows what that engine is. Oh, I didn't know. Bull. So here's what's awesome about the car community. I tell one person in the car community what's going on. They go on a WhatsApp chat, and we have like a small army of car show people who end up going up and down Route 46 in Jersey, and they start pulling all of the security footage from all the people that they want to talk to. They get the BP gas station. They get the granite guy on the corner. They get a whole bunch of, to the point where I'm calling the Lodi police station and I say, I need the detective's email. I have content. I have videos. I have raw footage. I need, like, what do you mean? I said, I am constantly getting raw footage into my phone to my people collecting security footage of that night. They go, you're kidding me. I go, no, I need an email. And so I finally get the email and I dump it. They still haven't found it. They finally realize that the license plate of the Ford, they find the license plate, they track it. That license plate is a stolen license plate. And that's what bothered me the most out of the whole freaking thing, is that the license plate that's on my Trackhawk is probably being used to hurt other people. And that's what keeps me up at night.
Well, we canceled the plates, thank God.
Well, yeah, but they're still going to steal other people's cars without license plates.
Well, when you're a low life, you're a low life.
Yeah,
and you know
exactly.
what? Hopefully all of them are dead now.
Well,
they died of a painful death.
Well, I mean,
I hope they can suffer the rest of their life.
Justice has a way of catching up with people.
And I don't really care. I moved on from the Trackhawk already. And you know what? It was bad juju. The guy went to prison.
Auction that we were doing was for Omni the Hellcats. He had, how much did he have seized in assets from
30
the FBI?
cars.
30 cars seized from the FBI for copyright infringement and everything else he was doing on YouTube.
Whatever he went to prison for.
Yeah. So,
that's okay. Gone. Listen, it's okay. It's just a Trackhawk. You know what? It's just a Jeep.
But it ruined the rest of the vacation.
It was shot after that.
Oh, yeah. Completely
so we
shot.
need a new one.
Yeah. I don't want to go.
Well, you don't have to.
That's fine. All right, everybody. So that's been Shari and Uncle Billy on the Behind the Wheels podcast. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Subscribe to us at Schwick Wheels on YouTube. Only on Behind the Wheels podcast of Schwick Wheels.
Peace out.